Hello guys, I'm Sammy from HackerBot.net, and today I'm going to show you how to be completely anonymous on your Android device when browsing the internet using the normal, just standard Android browser, and how to do so completely for free. The method that we're going to be using is going to be Tor, and you might have heard of Tor because it's kind of infamous for being the browser that people use to access the deep web and the dark web, where there are many, many evil things and hackers and so on. But essentially what Tor is a virtual private network, a way of anonymizing your traffic to the internet. The way Tor does it is basically the exit point, which is your Android device, will send data through a sophisticated network of encryption and rerouting of traffic through different nodes, and then it will arrive at the destination. So basically, your traffic is not only encrypted, but also routed through a lot of nodes, so it's completely untraceable, even for people like the NSA and so on. So it's incredibly, incredibly awesome when it comes to privacy. Now, the way you do this is essentially Tor does have solutions for Android. They have a huge set of instructions on how to actually do this, but I'm just going to get you through it quickly. Basically, what you need is you need fdroid.apk. You can just basically Google that, fdroid.apk, and you can download it and you can install it on your Android device. I'm going to be using an emulator as always because it's easier for me recording and all that. If you don't know how to install APK files, use something like APK installer, get it onto your SD card, and then just install it that way. Now I'm going to do it the lame emulator way, which is just installing fdroid.apk. Alright, fdroid APK is now installed, so you can just launch fdroid.apk, and I do recommend that every time you install a new app in these instructions, just restart your device. I'm going to do that right now. Restart my device. Alright, our device has been restarted. Let's start up fdroid. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is going to want to go to click on the settings thingy right here at the upper right corner. This is pretty important, all right? Now, the thing we're going to want to activate is the Guardian project and the Guardian project archive, okay? Enable these. You can also leave fdroid itself enabled for now. And now click or tab rather in your case update repositories, okay? This is really important. Now, these repositories will allow the Tor client later on to work correctly. All right, it seems to have been updated. All right, good. This is an important step. Without that, it won't work. Now, go to search some apps in this installer right here, in this fdroid installer. The app we're looking for is Orbot. Orbot, okay? Kind of like Voltorb, the Pokemon, but not exactly. Now, Orbot is basically your Tor client that will route your traffic to the internet through the Tor network, okay? Now, we're going to want to install Orbot through fdroid. Install that stuff? Yes, sir. Let's do it. All right. Now, this should be installed. It's like a download of 4 megabytes, okay? Now, again, I'm going to restart because, as I've said, it's better to restart every time you install something. Be right back then. Alright, we're right back. Now let's start fdroid again. Let's just make sure that our settings right here at the upper right corner are correct. Okay, Guardian Project Archive enabled, Guardian Official Release enabled. Very nice. Okay, good. Now let's go to our installed apps right here and let's go for Orbot. This is important. Start it through fdroid. That's the way it has always worked for me. Otherwise, it might not work if you start it through your Android directly, okay? Go through fdroid, run Orbot. All right, and basically now you can just tap down on this button and hold. And now we need to allow Tor to actually set up our network. And as you can see, nice. It's bootstrapped and 100% done. Let's go to our apps. Let's enable that. That's very important. You need to now just activate and allow the VPN connection to be made to the Tor network. Okay, just allow everything. Very nice. Okay, nice. And this is really important. You need to activate apps because your browser right here, your normal Android browser basically is considered an app, all right? So let's go to check browser. And we can go to our really normal browser that we're using all the time, or our normal Android browser. And as you can see, our new IP address is this, and we are using the Tor browser. Now, if you want to see the new IP address and where it's from and so on, I'm always going to my ip.net. That's what I do. Let's have a look at our IP address, our new one. And it's somewhere in where is it? Usually it's somewhere Russia or something. Well, this doesn't even have a location, it seems. We have no imagery here. Oh well, that's a good sign. That means we're untraceable. They don't even know what country our IP is coming from. Perfect. Anyway, so that's basically how it works. You might not work on the first try, like Orbot it's not an experimental thing. It has been around for a bit, but you might have to restart your phone a few times and just start it again and start it again. But it's basically a free VPN, a free proxy server, and it's incredibly stable and fast in my opinion as well. Like, I was surprised for a mobile VPN, for a mobile anonymity tool. It's incredibly fast and it's incredibly stable. So I love it. And I hope this helps you guys being anonymous on your Android devices. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.